Have you ever wondered if certain musicals manage to transcend their initial run and become something truly special? A fan favorite that captures hearts long after its debut. Yes, Heathers the Musical is indeed a popular off-Broadway musical, and it has undeniably achieved widespread recognition and a dedicated fan base far beyond its original New York City stage. Its popularity has grown significantly over the years, securing its place as a beloved show. The core reason behind Heathers' enduring popularity stems from several key factors, including its origin as a cult classic film from 1988, its darkly comedic tone, and its incredibly catchy and relatable songs. The musical successfully translates the movie's biting satire and memorable characters to the stage, addressing timeless themes of high school hierarchies, social pressure, and finding your voice, all with a distinctive edgy humor. This unique blend resonated deeply with young audiences and theater enthusiasts alike, creating a powerful emotional connection. To truly understand its reach, you can explore various ways to engage with Heathers the Musical. Many can experience the show through its original cast recording, which is widely available on streaming platforms, allowing listeners to dive into its memorable score. Numerous professional and amateur productions continue to be staged worldwide, bringing the story to new audiences continuously. You can also find fan communities online that celebrate the show and its impactful messages. What truly sets Heathers apart is its transformation from a modest off-Broadway production into a global phenomenon, often performed in schools and regional theaters. It boasts a unique ability to blend serious themes with irreverent humor, creating a show that is both thought-provoking and incredibly entertaining. The musical's clever lyrics and dynamic melodies contribute to its remarkable stickiness, making songs like Candy Store and Dead Girl Walking instant fan favorites. Ultimately, Heathers the Musical has proven to be much more than just a fleeting off-Broadway success. Its clever storytelling, iconic songs, and bold tackling of relatable struggles have cemented its status as a popular and influential piece of contemporary musical theater, continuing to charm and challenge audiences around the world.